What is the length of the missing side of the triangle? Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So we can see in our triangle that we know the lengths of two of the sides of the triangle. We have our length of 7 and our length of 5, or our side of 7 and our side of 5, and we can see we're missing this side length here. So we have to see, is this side a leg of the triangle, or is this the hypotenuse of the triangle? In order to determine that, we should find the right angle of the triangle, which is here. It's marked by that square. And the side across from the right angle is going to be that hypotenuse. We can label that C. And now we can match that that's the missing side length, so we're missing the hypotenuse of the triangle. We know the values of the two legs. We can say A is equal to 7 units and that B is equal to 5 units. In order to find now the missing hypotenuse of the triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the value of C. We'll start out with the equation of A squared plus B squared equals C squared, the Pythagorean theorem. We'll then substitute in our known values for A and B. So instead of A squared, it will be 7 squared, and instead of B squared, it will be 5 squared, still equals C squared. We will then actually find the squares of those numbers. So 7 squared is going to be 49, and 5 squared is 25. We'll then find the sum of those two numbers. 49 plus 25 has a sum of 74. So it'll be 74 equals C squared. And finally, to get C by itself, we'll now take the square root of both sides of the equation to get that C equals the square root of 74, which if we're rounding to the nearest tenth is approximately 8.6. So the value of C is approximately 8.6, meaning that the length of the missing side, the length of the hypotenuse, is 8.6 units, or answer choice C.